one for the Mopar fans, just in it, unique classic cars. This one here is a 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger. Real deal Swinger, LM23 code on that fender tag, and best of all, numbers matching 340 underneath the hood, as well as a numbers matching 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, Charger red R4 paint code. Take a look at the chrome on the front bumper, bright work on the grille and headlight surrounds. You can also see the paint shows well in this car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, in those still pictures, you're going to you'll be able to see the stamp on the transmission. You'll be able to see the stamp on the block, confirm its numbers matching. You're going to see that fender tag, and you will see the decoding of that fender tag. We got a sheet in there that's going to tell you about that too. As you can see, steel wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels are nice and straight. Interior black vinyl, bench seat up front, seat belt still intact. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, you're going to see this car go down the road. We'll put a camera in there, take you for a virtual ride if you will. White vinyl top is new. Looking from the rear to the front, again, you can see how straight those panels are. I have the keys in the trunk. I want to show you a little something back there. But first, let me go through some of the things that have been replaced or are newer on this. It does have a revinator, so you have a rev limiter. A little safety there. Newer ball joints, tie rod ends, Remand steering gearbox, newer front brakes, wheel cylinders, and bearings. So that is some of the service work of stuff that has been replaced. Now, let's take a peek in this trunk, and you'll be able to see this in the still pictures also. You're going to see the underside, again, interior engine bay trunk. So I just wanted to show this right here. You do have the Gabriel hijacker rear shocks. So you have a little air nozzle there. And again, you can see how nice the trunk is finished off also. And I'm going to need these keys so we can start it up here in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Hey, if you're a Mopar fan, maybe like Dodge Darts or late 60s, early 70s muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either online or right off our showroom floor. If you can make it to see us in person, look at the reflection in that paint. Again, paint shows well. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, this car will turn some heads, take some trophies home, your local shows and roll-ins. It would really surprise me if it didn't. Looks good and sounds good, and we're going to find out about that here in just a bit. Door panels, nice shape, black carpeting looking good. Vinyl seats free of any major rips, tears, or holes. All around good looking car. And remember, numbers matching 340, 4-speed manual, LM23 code. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See a little aftermarket tack there on the dash, as well as a Kenwood stereo that was installed, and I have had that stereo working just fine. But I show you that right now since we're talking about it. 340 fires right up. A couple of aftermarket gauges down here, oil pressure, temp gauge. That was a cold start. I've had the wipers working, top of the dash looking good. Looks like alternator working, fuel gauge. Make sure we're in neutral. Sounds like we got a little cam in there too. rumble coming out of that Mopar. All right, let's slip up to the front. I want to show you this engine bay. Then remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, put the camera in there, take you for a virtual ride. Who doesn't want to do that? Good look at the underside of the hood liner. And here it is. There's that numbers matching. 340 4-barrel, power steering, Optima battery. Get a peek at that fender tag right down here. You're going to see that in the still pictures, also the decoding of it. You can do it yourself if you'd like. Revinator up on the firewall up here. It's like newer heater hoses. It's a good looking, tidy engine bay. Wouldn't be afraid to have that open at a car show and show it off a little bit. Looks good, sounds good. 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger. It's a looker, folks. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger. This is a 4 on the floor and a nice 340 Chrysler V8. We have a tachometer mounted to the column. A clutch that tells you it is ready to go. Very positive connection with the clutch, I guess I would say. Fun to shift, fun to drive, easy to shift. This is a SunPro tachometer on the column. Our blower motor does work. It makes a little bit of a fluttery noise, but the blower motor works. The wipers are working. Radio is a Kenwood. Actually, it sounds pretty good. I have not tested the cassette, but FM is working well. Under the dash, we do have some jegs gauges, reading about 70 psi of oil pressure and 170 to 180 water temperature currently. Our factory fuel gauge is reading a little over half. The factory alternator gauge is charging about 2/3 of the way up the gauge. We're in second gear, taking the roundabout. This car stays pretty flat, corners nicely. These being a little bit lighter than a lot of Dodges of the era. This car pulls pretty good. It's fun. It's a fun to drive, fun to shift car. Very nice condition on the inside and the outside. Beautiful red paint job. Black vinyl bench seats. Definitely take a look at all the pictures. Learn everything you want to know at uniqueclassiccars.com.